Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be continuing with our LEGO Harry Potter Hogwarts Express Collector's Edition. We are working on the platform, but today we are working on this part of the platform. So we can probably move this back as far as it goes, and we can go ahead and get our bags open, and then I'll show you what I'm talking about whenever I say we can move this back. So, I can put together, actually surprised I found that since it's the same color as all the other pieces. So, there's that, and I believe the head is in this bag. Oh, it's a sad face. We don't do that. Okay. Okay, and I believe her name is Lily. I haven't watched this Harry Potter in a while, so I don't remember. And we'll put her back there. Sorry about that. So, anyway, what I'm talking about is we're building the arches of the platform. So, let's get started. Those are the first steps. Then those. I'm pretty sure we're building this from the upside down. How big is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wait, 12, I think. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep. So starting with this piece here. We need 4 brick pieces on the ends. And whenever I say bricks, they look like bricks. Then we flip it over. We put more bricks along the bottom. Oh my goodness, please. There we go. Okay. So we're still like this. We have these pieces that go over the edge. What the heck? Why are they not going in? There we go. That was weird. Okay. Got those in. Now we get to flip it back over and put this piece there. And then another one of those, like that. Now we need this to put 2 of these on it. And we need 2 of them. So let's grab another one. There it is. And they snap together, I think. Oh, no. So that goes there, and that goes there. All right. Okay. So it looks like that was it for that piece, because now we're building 2 of these. So every step we do, we're going to be doing twice. Just set that up there. It doesn't go up there, but we're going to set it up there. So we need 2 of these. I'm going to flip it over. And put the brick facing out, or the brick side facing out. I'm going to zoom in a little bit and move those back. Then again, bricks facing out on both sides. Okay, here. Okay, just like that. And now we put another piece down like that. And then same thing, just more bricks. Oops. Just launch that piece. Okay, there we go. And now we're putting more of these down. It just goes. How far in do we go? 5? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There we go. Okay, now we need one of these. And another one. Ah! Of course that landed so far back there. Ew. Okay, let's get that piece in. And let's try not to drop any more pieces like that. Okay, oh, we flip them. Flip them back over. If I can hang on to a piece. Okay, so we need 2 more of those. One and one more. There it is. Yep. Is that done? Just the next steps. So we need 2 of these, technically 4 of them, so we'll move those up since we're working on them. Just like that, right? Yep. Hey, Maddox. What are you doing? What are you doing? You stretching? it is. Okay. So it faces this way on either side. Right? Yep. So there we go. And now we need, this piece goes there, looking at it like this. Each of them need this. This little yellow piece goes on that. And it hangs off like that. So to find our other yellow piece, there we go. Put it there. Okay, now we need some more bricks. 1, 2, 3, 4, and goes there. I don't see how I messed that up, but I did somehow. Okay, there's our bricks. Bricks are good over here too. Make sure our pieces are right. Okay. So now this goes here. Is it a 1x1 brick? Yep. 1x1 goes there. Then we need another brick. All right. Mildly annoyed. I think only one piece fell. I don't know if that piece belongs to this bag. Okay. No, that doesn't even. Okay. Okay. I think we're good now. After dropping that. Okay, on to the next page. Still building two of each step. Just that, and then that. Okay, so we need this, this, and it says ×2, so we need to make 4 of them since we're building everything twice. Where's the last one? There it is. Okay, so it goes there, both of them, and then it hangs off the edge of this one. So there we go. Now we need to build some more bricks, or put some more bricks on. Okay, and this next step, just a little. So we need these two. That goes on there. There it is. Okay, so we got that, and then two little 2x2 go on top. There we go. I go just in that little divot. Okay, so now one there. Then a brick facing out on both of them. And I assume this piece here. Okay. And then like this. Wait, are they both? Once this facing in like this. Not sure why, but we'll do it. Okay. Here are the next two steps. And then it looks like we're connecting them. So let's get this done. Like there. Just a little hook out. Not sure what that hook's for, but we'll find out. Then another brick over here. Another, this one? Yep. Okay, so I think that one's done. Find the hook piece. Shoot there. Then some more bricks. And there we go. Oh, never mind. We're not there yet. Not there yet. Oh, we need this piece. That's what we're connecting it to. So there and there. Oh yeah, because our pillars are probably going to go in here. And that's it for that bag. So if you enjoyed that and want to see more of me building the Lego Harry Potter Hogwarts Express, go ahead and subscribe to know when I upload again. Comment, leave a like, all that fun stuff. And then trying to think of anything else. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. There we go. Bye.